Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best wicker hamper is probably one of the most stylish and practical additions you can make to your bedroom or laundry room, blending seamlessly with various decor styles while offering a durable and breathable solution for storing your clothes. Unlike flimsy plastic bins or bulky metal hampers, a well-crafted wicker hamper brings a touch of natural elegance and warmth to your living space, making the chore of laundry feel a little less mundane. It's a piece that doesn't just serve a purpose but also enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home, proving that functionality and beauty can indeed go hand in hand. Number 5. SONGMICS Laundry Hamper with Lid ULCB 51WG. Introducing our new laundry hamper, designed with a convenient lid. It effortlessly hides your dirty clothes, controls odors, and keeps your pets away from laundry. This laundry basket is perfectly sized for smaller areas. It offers ample storage capacity without taking up too much space in your bathroom, bedroom, or laundry room. Hygiene is made easy with a machine-washable liner. It also features side handles, making it simple to transport your laundry wherever you need to go. Crafted from breathable, waterproof material, it keeps clothes dry and ventilated. The robust frame ensures it can hold a substantial amount of laundry, up to 55 pounds. Moving it is a breeze thanks to the cutout handles. It also protects your floors and can be easily folded for convenient storage when not in use. What we like. This hamper features a convenient lid to keep odors contained and pets out. Its compact size is perfect for small spaces. If you're looking for a tidy solution for a tight bathroom or bedroom, this is a great choice. What people say. The hamper is large and can hold a lot of clothes. It is made of natural wicker and looks very nice in the bedroom. The lid keeps the clothes out of sight and helps to reduce odors. Number 4. Best Choice Products Large Double Laundry Hamper. This large hamper boasts a sturdy metal frame and a generous interior, capable of holding up to 100 pounds of laundry. It's designed to handle all your clothes, linens, and bedding with ease. Crafted from sustainable water hyacinth, its handwoven texture brings natural beauty and durability to any room. This material adds a touch of elegance while ensuring long-lasting use. It comes with 2 removable linen liners, perfect for separating lights and darks. These liners are also machine washable, making cleanup simple and convenient. Transporting your laundry is a breeze thanks to the integrated handle cutouts and wooden handles on each liner. Moving it around the house has never been easier. The built-in lid helps maintain a tidy space and keeps odors contained. It provides discreet coverage, adding a stylish finishing touch to your laundry area. What we like. This hamper is crafted from beautiful, sustainable water hyacinth and offers 2 sections for easy sorting. If you need to separate lights and darks or want a stylish, natural addition to your laundry area, this is the one for you. What people say. It came flat separated out into pieces, but was easy to put together and very lovely. The size works for 2 people, especially with how much we do laundry. Great functionality. I like the 2 baskets to separate colors and make laundry easier, or if you wash everything in cold like me, to take 1 bag to the machine and you still have another available. It looks great, the quality is good, weight is great. Number 3. JMvicyroam Large Woven Laundry Basket. Introducing a large woven laundry basket, designed to hold up to 60 liters of your belongings. It's perfect for organizing blankets, toys, and clothes. This tall hamper adds a decorative touch to any room. Its elegant design complements your living space while keeping clutter at bay. Place it in your baby nursery, bathroom, or bedroom. It's a versatile storage bin that fits seamlessly into various home environments. Crafted from high-quality cotton rope, this basket is both durable and soft to the touch. It's built to last and handle everyday use. The beautiful brown color adds warmth and style to your home decor. It's a practical yet aesthetically pleasing addition to your organizing needs. What we like. This large woven basket is made from soft cotton rope, making it a gentle and decorative option for storing blankets, toys, or clothes. If you prioritize a soft touch and a stylish, tall hamper for your living room or nursery, consider this. What people say. The woven design looks great and adds a nice, clean touch to the room instead of looking like a typical bulky hamper. The size is perfect, it easily holds a full load of laundry, which means fewer trips back and forth. The built-in handles are a big plus. They're sturdy and make carrying the hamper comfortable, even when it's full. Number 2. SONGMICS 42.3 gallon rolling laundry hamper ULCB 365N01. Praised by CNN editors, this laundry hamper offers a stylish and versatile design that complements any home decor. Its large capacity and sorting sections simplify your laundry routine, making it an essential addition to any household. Effortlessly sort your laundry into darks, lights, and colors with its 3 convenient sections. The durable, removable liner is washable, ensuring your hamper stays fresh and clean with minimal effort. Moving your laundry is a breeze thanks to the long pull handle and smooth rolling wheels, which can also be locked in place. For stationary use, simply swap the wheels for the included feet. This hamper boasts an impressive 42.3 gallon capacity, perfect for organizing your family's laundry. A handy side pocket is also included for storing delicates or smaller items. Crafted from waterproof and breathable synthetic rattan, it keeps clothes dry and aired out. The robust metal frame ensures it can hold up to 77 pounds, offering durability and stability. Assembly is quick and simple with clear instructions. When not in use, it conveniently folds flat for easy storage and transport. What we like? With its built-in wheels and 3 separate compartments, this hamper makes laundry day a breeze. If you have a large family and need to pre-sort your laundry efficiently, or simply want the convenience of easy transport, this is an excellent option. What people say. It has made sorting laundry so much easier. I can separate lights, dark colors, and towels right away instead of sorting later. The compartments are roomy, and the material feels sturdy enough to hold full loads without sagging. There's an option to have wheels or not. Wheels are about 2.5 inches of the 26-inch height. There is screw and plastic foot included if no wheels are desired, which would leave the hamper 2.5 inches shorter. Super easy assembly, only 4 screws and 4 wheels, no tools required, screwdriver in package. I love that it rolls, has a way to separate my clothes, holds lots of laundry, and it looks nice. I also appreciate that it has a lid. Number 1. BirdRock Home Water Hyacinth Divided Laundry Hamper. Introducing our beautifully crafted laundry hamper, made from natural water hyacinth fibers. Its elegant design adds a charming and stylish touch to any room, serving as a practical and decorative storage solution. This laundry basket comes with 2 removable cotton liner bags for easy transport and organization. The washable liners ensure effortless maintenance and hygiene, making laundry day simpler. Designed for efficiency, it features a spacious interior divided into 2 sections. This makes it perfect for separating lights and darks or organizing laundry for different family members. Keep your laundry out of sight with the robust lid, maintaining a clean and tidy appearance in your home. This feature adds functionality and aesthetic appeal, making laundry management more discreet. Measuring 24 wide, this hamper offers ample space for all your laundry needs. Its versatile design seamlessly fits various home settings, providing a practical storage solution for clothes, blankets, and more. What we like? This hamper is beautifully handcrafted from water hyacinth, offering a divided interior for sorting and a concealed storage solution. If you appreciate elegant, handcrafted decor and need an organized way to store your laundry discreetly, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It's made well and looks nice in our guest room. I love that it's divided. We put dirty towels on one side and our clothes on the other. The liners for this one are made of significantly more durable material that's even washable with regular laundry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.